How's it going?
Not bad, just busy with work, and you?
Same here, work's been crazy, but hey, did you hear about Sarah's engagement?
Yeah, I saw it on Facebook, pretty exciting news.
Definitely. We should plan a celebration for her.
That's a great idea. How about a dinner party?
Perfect. I'll reach out to the gang and see when everyone's free.
Sounds good. Let me know what everyone says.
Will do. Hey, did you watch the latest episode of that show we like?
Not yet. I've been meaning to catch up. Is it good?
So good. We need to discuss it ASAP.
Absolutely. I'll watch it tonight, and we can chat about it tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan. Alright, I gotta get back to work. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later, take care.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. What have you been up to?
Not much, just working and hanging out with friends. How about you?
Same here, trying to stay busy. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really, maybe just relaxing at home. What about you?
I might go for a hike if the weather is nice. Do you enjoy hiking?
Yeah, I love it. It's so peaceful being out in nature.
I agree, it's a great way to clear your mind. Have you been to any interesting places recently?
Not really, just the usual spots around town. What about you?
I went on a trip to the mountains last month. It was amazing.
That sounds incredible. I need to plan a trip like that soon.
You definitely should, it's worth it. Anyway, I have to head off now. It was nice chatting with you.
Yeah, same here. Take care.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, thanks. What about you?
Pretty good, just busy with work. Have you seen the new movie?
No, not yet. Is it any good?
Yeah, it's really entertaining. We should go see it sometime.
That sounds like a plan. Maybe this weekend.
Sure, I'm free on Saturday. How about you?
Saturday works for me. What time?
How about in the afternoon, around 3?
Sounds perfect. Where should we meet?
How about at the theater entrance?
Works for me. Looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be fun.
Definitely. Well, I've got to run. Talk to you later.
Hi there. How have you been?
Hey. I've been good, thanks. What about you?
I'm doing alright, just keeping busy. Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown?
Yeah, I did. Have you been there yet?
Not yet, but I heard the food is delicious.
We should check it out sometime.
Definitely. How about next Friday?
Sounds good to me. What time?
How about 7 p.m.?
Works for me. I'll see you there.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I've got to go now. Talk to you later.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad, thanks. What about you?
Can't complain. Did you watch the game last night?
Yeah, it was intense. Did you see that last-minute goal?
I know, it was crazy. Want to catch the next game together?
Definitely. When is it?
I think it's this Saturday at 7 p.m.
Sounds good. Let's meet up at your place.
Sure, sounds like a plan. See you then.
See you.
Hi, how's your day been?
Hey, it's been pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad, just a bit busy with work. Did you hear about the new art exhibit downtown?
Yeah, I did. I heard it's amazing. Have you been?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go this weekend. Would you like to join me?
I'd love to. When are you thinking of going?
How about Saturday afternoon?
Saturday works for me. What time should we meet?
Let's say around 2 p.m.
Sounds good. Where should we meet?
How about at the entrance of the museum?
Perfect. I'll see you there.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I've got to run now. Talk to you later.